What's going on, YouTube? Fresh and Salty Johnny here. We're back at my spot, and guess what? It's Monday, so the out-of-towners are all gone. Check it out. Nobody here. Not a single trace of a human. So I got really no goal today. I went to the local store, and this is what I spent $50 on. This is like the daily right here. Got's executive series. They're out of the size 10, so I just picked up 2 packs of size 12 because you never know when they're gonna restock that place. And then I actually did get my size 10. Oh no, I thought they were size 10. Darn, couldn't read. They're size 12 also, but they're the regular one. 2 of these is $10, whereas one of these is $10, but you also get 25 versus the 10. So we're just gonna try these out and see if they even hold up to the executive series. And then we bought some single hook barbed lures. You don't need barbless here, so I'm just gonna try these out, see how they do. And yeah guys, so if you guys like the content, always remember to like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that red button, turn it gray, hit the notification bell to know when the next banger is going to be dropping. So yeah, we're gonna get to fishing. We'll probably just hook up one of these lures, and oh, this one says UV bright. Cool, might try that one first. And we're just gonna try it at the spot. All right, so I feel like nobody really talks about this topic much, but I'm just gonna cover it real briefly, and that's what you should do before you go out fishing. Hot day like today, it's like 90 something. I don't know why I checked my watch, but it's not a smartwatch, but 100 degrees, you know what I mean? You're gonna want to always use some good old sunscreen, minimum 30, nothing less. Just be very generous on the amount you spray, you know. Make sure to reapply every couple hours, because you don't want to have any skin cancer down the line. And if you got ashy legs like me, it covers up that ashiness. Fishing over there. Need a net? Sure. Oh, nice one too, yeah. Wow. All right, no luck on that yellow one. We're gonna try this one, see how it does. Get her done. we're done throwing lures. We're gonna go straight to catching fish. I'll try out this one. It's the Potski. This color did good yesterday, as you could tell. It's a large chunk missing. See how it does. I'm gonna give it a little dipping sauce, because our fish like dipping sauces, you know. They're not a dry rub kind of fish, you know. All right, second attempt, we're gonna drop it. All right, let's see if I can attempt to set the hook here. It's a flimsy rod. Seems to be an eddy forming. Right there. Put some tension on the line. Oh, that's right there. Gotta let it drop. Oh, did I miss him again? Different color Potski, pink. Not that it's gonna matter, because I can't set the hook.
Everything's perfect. Because where we're going to fish are going right here. 5 minutes we have, we're catching red-tailed perch right in the. Oh, this has never happened to me. I didn't go this year, but I keep my boat in Eureka. In the Salmon Sea. I'll take it over there. Fish out of Eureka. King salmon? Above King Salmon at the Municipal Marina. Eureka Municipal Marina. Takes about 15 minutes to get out of the mouth.
Yeah, if you go down Phil's Landing, you can freebie there too.
It's too busy this year.
There we go, finally.
Alright.
Yeah. And it's off. My hook sits! Alright, YouTube. I'm not playing around. I'm gonna hook the next one. I'm gonna hook him good. Stop playing around. Oh, oops.
Alright, come to daddy.
There we go. That's a better hook set.
Got him.
That's how you hook set.
There you go.
Yeah. I was just messing around. Trying to do a little weak panfish hook set. Try to go underneath here. Got our first one. Avoided the skunk. Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, he's a pretty nice guy. I like him too. I'll have my bait
switched rods. I don't feel like retying. Got this one already tied up, ready to go.
Tangled about 5 times. I said, you're on your own.
Yeah, you're on your own now.
We'll buy all this stuff and he fishes one time. I go, dude, you spent over $100. You want to go home? So we're down. I said, come with me, man. We went down and we caught about 5 of those 4-pounders down.
How about some
I
fun?
mean, beautiful.
Back in the back?
Yeah, they'd run the whole length.
Yeah, shit. Well, I was using Castmasters. Just knocking this shit on with Castmasters.
And then you got those other guys coming with those lures about this long, triple hooks like that. They go, and the other guy goes, dude, quit yapping them, snagging them.
Oh, he almost went over your line.
Nice. Got one too?
Yeah.
We got almost a double. That was epic.
Kicking in the long hole.
Oh, I literally got a tree pounder. Look at that.
Big fish.
Biggest fish of the day.
Yeah, since you removed that stick, we got fish on now. Oh yeah, really nice. Woo! Come on, Mama. Give me your dad.
Oh, I'm stuck. Jeez. Not my day.
You get another hang?
Yeah. Guys, we hooked up to the biggest fish ever. Oh man. I'm just kidding, I'm snagged. Come on. Get me out of here.
Are you snagged or you got fish on?
No, I'm snagged.
Oh, I didn't know if you
Yeah, no, I'm snagged. It's in the middle where all the freaking Castmaster pot of gold is. Man. It's not my day, guys. Alright, here's what we're tossing. Little rooster tail. Little red one. Red and silver one. Probably just jig it. Drop right there. Might be time to go. Bob, you want that fish I got? I don't even want to fillet tonight. You want it? All right. Yeah.